Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Trim to plan a vacation budget. Are you planning a getaway? Well, Trim can help you budget smartly so that you can enjoy without financial stress. Let me show you how it's done. So first thing you're going to do is to start by creating a custom savings goals in the Trim app, and then you're going to name it something like summer vacation. Next, you're going to set a target amount and your desired timeline. Trim will then calculate how much to save weekly or monthly to hit your target goal. And then you can just review current spending summaries and find areas where you can cut back, like unused subscriptions or eating out less. Enable spending alerts so that Trim can notify you when you're going off track. And if you're a Trim premium user, you want to consider using the bill negotiation feature to lower bills and reallocate those savings towards your trip. Trim will even show your progress visually, which helps to keep you motivated. With Trim, your vacation can be both memorable and financially responsible. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.